After all these things, share the ebano. Now, and there say, oh, share the course of our parliament. Oh, say the minority, a MPP for about parliament, you know, omo di kuku, ekutai, omo de ba parliament, ebe kasaye. Now, adeba kwa, also who say president bekasa, na se minority, sebio, omo asemka, and I say sebio, omunim say the president kayano, tokuru edidem, and I say, and tro na president be try na ayana minority omo parliament no omo tumi e kire say sebio president na asem na oka no sebio entasun. Now obi anim say na minority ne ba parliament no na sebio omo de koko nsem, in fact omo dress black na no kuta koko a omo de kire say o omo de omo ni koko ekuafo enenam na ende de omo do koko ekuafo. So we Ghana na wo hwɛ me before I enter and as I me call the president kamu in summer or can parliament and then me pese uti biase. Politics in Ghana are very complex. And a year Nana do Dankwe Kufuado neba umia 8 years omubedi Ghana sono. Oma Ghana for abeti a year amanyo asamsu asipa. Now, so many Ghanaians now understand what politics, CBIT, the dynamics, when people are trying to lie to them, when people are trying to use them, and also when politicians, let me say it that way, when politicians are trying to use them as leverage. Now, you can see that a year, President Ekine, a year State of the Nation, only Ghana for Edin Komo, Ede in Semina, Etu Yenim area, minority, Omi MPP for no. Koko nsama na etua omano a omudi wura parliament no omu pie free parliament no, you don't really hear them speaking on the Koko matter because sena omu asempa ka said the president beka in the State of the Nation and I say nensema oni Ghana beka no sensema beka no say na entwasum efa Koko ho ne Ghana sensem ho a anka obo senka president kasa wie no anka omu talking point pa ebeye about Koko farmers. But I won't say ADBC. President Kasawiye no minority catcher say, oh, almost the State of the Nation beba. Na yem mo ato be edwada echire ho baby. Omankasa so edi omo de beba. Na de na wanwa pa ne say after President Kasawiye omo nyina free parliament no. Say wutie omo nyina e wo radio so any TV so a. They are not even really talking about the Koko na ekutekuta omo so Koko ekuafo da omakoma so no. They are now trying to make it look like say when he be president, you know, the all canon settings. Almost shada ni assembly omujina so. Aka say president ne beka ye no. In fact, can we ni nyina ya tro. Ebe si time ameno woka say the minority in parliament. Omo muko radio so, omo muko TV so, omo ana omo di Koko ekuafo politics a. Omo di Koko okuta ye. Metima ka kire say minority MPs are normal parliament. 90% of them. This is the first time I almost saw Koko, ekuta Koko, physical Koko. MPP for MPs, no. 90% are not Koko, no. Ekuta omo parliament, no. Almost first time I almost saw Koko mnie. Na almost sheda and so Koko muda. Omo nim senya Koko ankasa net ye. Debi anomu Koko o TV so anase omu Koko ewo den ewo bookum. Enti ended the omo baye no be edwin say or people were thinking that after the president's speech the minority leader Krano, he was basically going to base all his response on the Koko issue they are bringing up by force. But interestingly, minority didn't have opportunity to speak to the president. You know, they could not even stay on the Koko matter because time Mahama Kasawi no Ghana for you say Koko won sensem no MPP for the propaganda jandam atro. And almost person the Koko farmers no now we State of the Nation President Akinkan we and the whole day yeni MPP for atna eti omo radio so yeti omo TV so yeti omo baby social media. Interestingly, they are not interested in the Koko conversation again. Adentina MPP for are not interested in the Koko conversation. Adentina Koko enkomono omuntumi endin biem. Adesiano, I say omo de tete. Adesiano, omo nam ena omo hwehwe communities a omo hu say oh had a vote kakra wa ha. I had a ekuafo kakra wa ha. Yenko ne yenko dada omo. They did not even make that Koko na nekuta omo their priority today. Until you can go back and go listen to all of their communicators and also the MPs are no more parliament. Omkuta Koko and say Why wasn't cocoa their main conversation? The reason was that cocoa and ekuta nobody dada cocoa kuafo. 90% of MPs are no more parliament in there. Cocoa and ekuta no mu bi da physical no mu so bi mu da. Na omu enim senya cocoa ankasa tie. This was the first time omu so cocoa mu. Na dia ama eye cocoa komo no omu ntumi ndi biem. Anase sesia no Ghana fo akuafo dodo ne hu se MPP fo nka no kre ne se. And the yen nyina ya be hu se eba cocoa ebo ende dia beto dwa ene se Ivory Coast fo ebeti omu cocoa ne so ende ana ochina. Omu dia beto dwa se omu cocoa no omu beti so. Na omu beti so akoduru sen. Ye ka che Ghana fo se NDC aban ene John Mahama aban cocoa akuafo de ehia omu no ene hia aban we. And John Mahama kan ende o say there is no way cocoa akuafo mo Ghana ono na aban ebebu cocoa akuafo. And the esi ewo eye Ivory Coast ne say omu cocoa na sebio ni adwen say omu de omu cocoa no ebo no wosoro chaye no and the Ivory Coast for aban say omu ti cocoa no so aba fom. Now etena cocoa na omu ti aba fom no omu ti so sen. Na so omu ti so a omu ne Ghana for cocoa akuafo hwana mu na sika beba omu nsem. And the abeto dwane say and the uton Ghana cocoa bottle baako eto Ivory Coast for cocoa bottle mienu. And the wo Ghana now wo cocoa bottle baako etumi to Ivory Coast for cocoa bottle mienu. Busa ho say eye dan na ewiase afa na nyina ye nyina nim se cocoa price no every 12,000 a ton ababedu 3,000 still NDC aban John Mahama aban etumi a ton cocoa sebio cocoa akuafo mo Ghana cocoa sebio omo ye tofiri omo no ne boy ye din echen Ivory Coast ne boy ye din echen Nigeria and ne boy ye din echen den Cameroon. Now shade, this is what is happening now when it comes to cocoa. And worldwide the AC Ivory Coast enie Ghana ni cocoa in Kitamudia and the John Mahama kan okre no ya ka kire mo amunyina munim cocoa akuafo munti ena meye we ansa na mekwa kobo Mahama no asem any state of the nation in some okan no me be say yet we free ho. Now upko Ivory Coast and them no ka say a kilogram of cocoa no aban say obeto no between 800 sefa to 1,000 sefa. 800 sefa to 1,000 sefa. Now, oba Ghana, yani cocoa no, a ton, Ivory Coast for normal cano, a 1 bag kilograms. Now, so equivalent per ton na. So Ivory Coast and the Ivory Coast buying a top cocoa ton bakubiano, almost ton between $1,450 to $1,180. So what the bag Ghana sikemua Ivory Coast for ton no omo a ton $3,580 a ton. Ivory Coast for cocoa 16 bags no omo ton between $1,450 to $1,800. Oba Ghana cocoa ton baku cocoa bottom kwa edunsia a ebe ton no Ghana abang a ton 3,800 where 2025 2026 crop season. Now so uko wenima that means say udu equivalent per kilograms per bag na and the oko Ivory Coast yato cocoa bag bia no omotono between 1,400 Ghana cedis to 1,800 Ghana cedis. Untumi ento Ivory Coast cocoa bag bottle bag could be over 1,800 Ghana cedis. And so in the over Ghana na se oto cocoa bag and the cocoa bag could be 2,587 Ghana cedis. 2,587 Ghana cedis per bag. Inti and we Ghana cocoa near and now we cocoa quenia. So ukuta 1 bag of cocoa bottle 1 bagger etumi to Ivory Coast for cocoa bottom yenu. Enti sawati asia. Mena woka sei. Sa cocoa na omose ne boya ding. John Mahama ebu cocoa ekuafo o Ghana. John Mahama sebio ondo cocoa ekuafo no. And world news and da hona me de kire no. So obi wo any other factor say yeboa onfa ne de nemra. Enti ende utam Ivory Coast for cocoa bag baako a ewo Ivory Coast a omoton between 800 sefa to 1,000 sefa. 800 sefa to 1,000 sefa no. O de ba Ghana ana o de call dollars mu a eye $1,450 to 1,800. So o de ba eye cedis mu a and the utam cocoa bottle baako ewo Ivory Coast a Ivory Coast are buying eto cocoa bottle baako bia o de ba eye Ghana sike mu a 1,400. What tomana bro so cry 1,800. And the Ivory Coast are buying eto cocoa bottle baako bia what tomana born aya din pa 1,800 Ghana cedis bottle baako. Send the over Ghana buying a John Mahama buying eto cocoa bottle baako bia 2,587 Ghana cedis per bag. It is our check here. I'm going to reduce cocoa now a bono just 28.6%. It is from 3,580 no. John Mahama making sure say cocoa ekuafo no ya anti cocoa no so to the point a sebio Ivory Coast for crampo cocoa bo be din a chenye. It is na we cocoa kuani wo Ghana. Na se MPP ni ebegina wenima. Na wabusa ne se MPP ni se si anomate de mo ka nyina yate. Sebio cocoa ayeye no. Omo a ye ne omo airpresso ewo eye Africa ha eye Ivory Coast for. Me am ya Ghana ni sisi ano. Ghana ni cocoa kuani no. Se me de mi cocoa ko Ivory Coast e beto ne sen. Aya mumusa MPP for sa question no. Mumusa omo say me ya Ghana ni cocoa kuani. Mumusa MPP for enwumre say MPP for yi. Enda me no ka say se metam cocoa bottle ba akoko Ivory Coast Ivory Coast for beto ne sen. Me pese me hu se ma ban na e wo Ghana na ebu mi ana se embu me. Eno na be mu hu se MPP for ye nkwasiafo ana se omo nya nkwasiafo. It is simple. To make it easy, no? To make it very easy, no? Ghana's price is significantly higher than Ivory Coast new 800 to 1,000 sefa per kilogram. Now, farmers in Ghana currently earn about 2,587 per bag, while Ivorian farmers, as we speak, under the new cut, earn close to 1,450 to 1,800 per bag. For a farmer's perspective, Ghana's price is better even after the emergency cut. Now, Ivory Coast's drastic reduction is aimed at clearing stock and restoring competitiveness, but it severely impacts farmers' income. The reason why in Ivory Coast for Crampono, Cocoa no, Ompese, Omotisu, Ebedu 1,018 in the say. Omo Cocoa no abroso. Omo stock Cocoa man abroso. Bebeka Chemo has say Brazil for Omoto a ye Cocoa free Ivory Coast. Almost someone person beto. Ni nyina ne say almost omo nji cocoa nindi ebi wo ha eye galamsey cocoa ebi wo ha yare wom ebi wo so makoto no baby a omo nim baby free nti Ivory Coast for no kra no cocoa ebuso e ma aban ne kra pontumi mo musika kese aban ne say no cocoa bottle ba could be obeto 1,800 Ghana. That is the highest. Otono as low as 1,400 Ghana. It is MPP for ba wa now your cocoa ni anadwi a MPP ni bia be gina wo no say MPP mate. O say NDC for so number may saying 7,000, some may 6,000 ya tiasie. If you are saying yankwa de dua cocoa. Ivory Coast for so dua cocoa. At a point under Ivory Coast for to if you say no more born etam cocoa bottle de ko Ivory Coast koton. If you say na Ivory Coast for born na eye. Enti mummusa MPP for na anadwo maba mo ho ne say we de asrem o ya no sisumina so ya mpese ebedi matam so munim nyansa senda na twi mi cocoa kuani because demonstration won crying because catch a buying say onto cocoa nim. Say see no be buafu, me pese beta me cocoa bottle ko Ivory Coast am beton sing. Into way it's just a message to cocoa kuafo mo Ghana. Wa wo cocoa bia no, bra wo ase na sebio pe ekwan bi so na aban ento. If you said the aircon no, wontumi entamu cocoa enko Cote d'Ivoire because cocoa bo na Cote d'Ivoire no e wo fom e chen Ghana. Ente bia say yen close your border na ye bo say Cote d'Ivoire for area cocoa de ba Ghana beton. Na say Cote d'Ivoire for no etumi enyanko for Ghana de cocoa de momo. Na omo fam we kuafo de chikoton ma aban a. That means say mu cocoa de be mo ka. Tie me, we cocoa kuani atie me. MPP for jina woni mu keka nkwase asem. And the Ivory Coast for be hu say Ghana for cocoa ni boy ding echa Ivory Coast de. Mukai say a year or 2 or 3 ago. Na Ivory Coast for cocoa no, na ne boy ding chen Ghana de. Na mo Ghana for cocoa ekuafo yabi, na mo twum cocoa no, sebio ebi mu efa ho e de Cote d'Ivoire koton. Sesia epono na dane. Table no a shift. Information yenya no Ivory Coast ne say Oma buy say cocoa no obeton ama omo eye 1,400 Ghana a bag. Omo so cocoa ebu omo so Ivory Coast wo. Cocoa apatana ye ma. Oma te say Ghana ye to cocoa bia 2,580 a bag. Information amede ma on say Ivory Coast for cocoa kuafo no omo ne MPP for ni bi kasa say omo betuma agi omo cocoa na aton wo Ghana mo omo. Tie uye cocoa kuani a tie de make achiro no. So we Ghana cocoa kuani a Ivory Coast for no omo air plan say omo di omo cocoa de baba Ghana abeton. Sa politicians ya omo na mo aban mu a MPP for no ne Ivory Coast for din sawoso e ka chem so mo fam cocoa nkoto wo ho no Ivory Coast for ni momo omo start ne MPP for no e di nkomo omo be di omo cocoa no e ba Ghana na sa omo di omo cocoa ne ba Ghana cocoa board de ebede no mo hu say cocoa no efri asankregwa ana efri bono ana efri sehwi cocoa board de cocoa no ohwe na owe na cocoa no nseye na cocoa jane na so a obeto enti se mo anhwe ye a mu cocoa na mo se monton no eye Ivory Coast for ba beton omu cocoa no ama Ghana ban na mutifie eye MPP ende news aba no exclusive Ivory Coast to cut farmer cocoa price with earlier start of mid-crop, sources say. It is all a cocoa kuani na Ghana. Na oda huti cocoa so ka say MPP for say Ivory Coast for neba. Cote d'Ivoire for the cocoa neba. So obedi MPP for echi mama kan kwase sem we achiro. The aban we ayamao. Eye aban we efutu om the amao. Aban we etumi atena ho adwe cocoa kuani ho. And yet to cocoa bag 2,580. And the Cote d'Ivoire cocoa bag 1,400. Almost our cocoa chain. Almost our benye. Almost our nimunko for Ghana. Almost our ebe chi cocoa na sa yaba Ghana. Ghana buying so already so obeto cocoa no 2005. Now we're processing of Ghana. Do be a hobi obeto. Into your Ghana cocoa ni kweni. Now with the MPP say ya ntiasia. Moti ha na Ivory Coast for beton mu cocoa ni nyina ma Ghana buying. Muti krom ha and Ivory Coast abeton omu cocoa nyina di ama Ghana ban na mu cocoa na sei obanyansafo yebuni be sa nkwasiafo we inform wo they don't care MPP for inform ho omu de mo ya politics. So this is coming from the president, Mr. President myself. Monya ntem na mo fam cocoa ni koma cocoa board no mo nto no mama bottle bia 2,500 Ghana because Cote d'Ivoire for deba. Mo amunim sanya mutumi wuro mu koton wo ho no. Omuso betumi wuro ma beton wo ha. Aban ne de border na ogina so na enya ni nyina na betuma stop it. Inti we de efuto ne de ma mo. After today no emu atwa yenka koko asemu biem. Wa koko aka wa patam. Se wentuma nton a sebio elso koton ma MPP if you say aban aka achrew Ivory Coast for cocoa bottle 1,004 Ghana cocoa bottle 2,580 mienu we choose baako Ivory Coast for neba Cote d'Ivoire for neba amu de cocoa neba because cocoa ne bu omo so aban se cocoa no ebu omo so obi ani wa autom cocoa it is why ready so why ready say cocoa no ekipu a ene ekipi because ye de yan se cocoa aba ye beto unya ready say obeton a tena ho so obeso de kwa Ivory Coast so a epro ne da ho fakọ bottle ba ku bia 1004 me da se nyame nshraw we de obanyansafo ebuni be now mum ye wura eye and the state of the nation, a president, ebedi hon komono. Team, stay with me. We are Ghana ni abebusa ho say. Me team ni say men kan chemu kokuafo say. Aban nokwafo eye chen aban otrofo. An honest government is better than a lying government. The team ni men kan chemu say aban nokwafo eye chen aban otrofo. Aban we edi nokware. Aban we aye truthful. MPP betena so no otrofo ba omia na edi omanim. And omu de ho di tro. An honest government is always better. It is always better than a lying government. MPP aban na money omu tena 8 years no. Dipa na odi omanim no omu ya atrofo ba omia oya trofo. Ne bema tintin kura onim. Ne bema sen nim ne tintin ba omia ntumi nkan kyerɛw. Enti kokokuafo mo hwɛ mu yie pa. Mu di agro. Mu koko ni nyina be pro. Aban we ka kyerɛ mo. Momfa koko ni mbra mbeji 2500 a bag. Momfa koko ni mbra mbeji 2500 a bag. Mo tena ho na mu di MPP echi. Cote d'Ivoire fo ne ba beton mu koko da ma aban. Yete ha. Mu djuma mo di nyina be hye. Mo bre nyina be ye kwa. MPP de mo ye politics. Ende unya fertilizer free. Unya insecticide free. Unya spraying machine free. Aban na eboa through the agric ministry. When nyina ade a aban de aboa. Se koko no one fan koton ma aban 2005. Ivory Coast for ba 2007. Ivory Coast for say 1008 crore meji. Ivory Coast for 1006 crore meji. Your amount 2508 to say also be. Ivory Coast for your 1004. Odu kroma ni amount 1550 obeji. Koko de budu so owu de onfanye. In the moment na Ghana, edi MPP nkwasiafo we echi a, edwuma mu ye nyina afi atwam nyina ebeye kwa. Ukoko de be pro. Koko mu amunim enche na pro. Ade e ma cocoa board ebo kapa eye preparing cocoa before it is exported. Dinche bibia. Unum eka cocoa board bo afibia when it comes to preparing cocoa before cocoa is exported. Sa me chraw eye processor eye cocoa board. E was say omofamu e preserve cocoa no and say cocoa no edu eye the buyer wa. You'll be shocked. Sa cocoa na cocoa board eto cocoa kuafo no ho e Ghana no. About 20% of that cocoa no say and sana could do. Do you know why? Because oto cocoa if you nsemu wia or then I say or spray cocoa no or making sure say emuankum or so making sure cocoa na dry or so or the share bottle papem or say or preserve cocoa to the point browning in soma or because of cocoa when say ye it eba cocoa board a car cocoa board cry ebo ewekuafo ho no se say can cocoa board ka say omo de mam wekuafo anke or set cocoa your toboto be 100 Ghana but realistically Ghana buying efa saka no because only cocoa wekuafo na edi djuma it is a one to man ton cocoa na cocoa ni siwa Ivory Coast for bar na cocoa na wo na cocoa original na so a Ivory Coast for your mom 1007 or mobeje and minimum ka say mo nyonko cocoa akuafo na omo border no so no almost starting Ivory Coast for ni din komo Ivory Coast for na catch am yam fambre mo ana because the mama mo ton 2005 na mo de mo mbre 2000 omo je de aba hwe wodin sa agro ni edi wodi atena ho de odbeto duane kura onya bindi de MPP nkwasiafo weji omo elibo border no so ne ade no cocoa akuafo ro ho no Ivory Coast for the frefre omo ça va la cocoa da 2007 sen credit 70 or 1007 keke or tiswa 1007 ko border no so ko hwe ça va comme ça, à la Côte d'Ivoire, à Coco, la famille, ou la coque. Emma, Ekuafo said, Dabi, Yabani, also 2005, you're better honest. Ivory Coast for Coco, Ekuafo, Tesla Magana, Coco, I'm so mon pet. Oh, the Otia, MMP Pinquasiafo with that out. Ivory Coast, funny bow. Betty witness so. All right. Moment jump. Mr. S, I'll try compress and talk about this later in the show. Later in the show. I don't know if I have, but before I be state of the president's speech, you know, Andra na me catch Ghana for say MPP for me catch them say omono omumbu enkran for and no pay ba omia kwa kochia gamanche. Me say mo ba omia no I control him. Andra na me catch them me say Mahmoud ba omia umbu enkran for until I tell him to walk, he will not walk. And I no patutu to gamanche kran na edo jina gate no oh me be say me be sra gamanche afei na mate se gamanche pra when ya accident. Mahmoud Baumia anya correct. MPP for anya correct. Meaning their plans against the camp people. They don't like Nkran no. These people, they are bad people. Oh say, Andra na Jumi Gina almost say they are bad people. They are thinking bad for this man. And then opatutu. Oh, do I oh, I feel what is a gamanche accident. Wasi ampenyi otumitu kwa iko ekurofu froso ekobutu ahimfo nim say kusie. Only gamanche think crying. One tis a gamanche accident. After me catch and Andra say, go di me, ko na mpenifo e na oni omuti asase ne so. Anopatutu. Onyare ye ne to kan afi na okọ kira gamanche. The disrespect. Eche yene ya directing mo candidate. I am controlling mo ba Omia no. And I will decide whether Omia becomes president, and I have not decided yet. And then patutu odrimika ko gamanche. Oh, gamanche, you know, I didn't know you had an accident. Oh boy, he does not like the man. Omunyosa gamanche. Makachamo, one of the honest chiefs in Ghana, not kings in Ghana, gamanche. He's very careful about the way he speaks. When he's speaking in public, he has never involved himself in politics. Politics, you see them every day. Politics. But this man has tried to stay within the middle because onimse the position a very sensitive position and the corona capital so he cannot do petty things. So this man has conducted himself as the king of the guns, and he has proven over time, say, the track record of staying neutral has been very, very organic and straightforward. Andrea Mika Jimmy say, Gamanche na mompen asamna, motimufi odidi na temuno, na moka say, he did not campaign for you people, muba mubetuno no, anopatutu tu baomia sorry. Medeba trasha no to, akwa Gamanche ho. This is fake. Nobody sees this as a genuine visit. I check Kevin Taylor, ebo utuja. Menoka say, Oshem you. And Makachra ne yire no mokura ne yire akodi no, ebe kamba umia. Mokona Samira di no, memana kamba umia. Kamba umia any problem. But because of Samira Baumia, Mokona Baumia, Samira di no, memana kamba umia. It's a way, and crime for this alone should tell you, say, Baumia does not respect Gamanche. Until I tell him to go. And son of Asoriako. We will come back to this matter.
You know it. The MPP cannot be underestimated. You know it. I know it.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubwahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity, are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,